can't talk about, except my heart got locked in my throat again. So I swallowed to set it free. Now having you around has got the best of me. I've been learning how the time I choose to take, and the scale tells lies. It's my heart, watch my word. But to tell you the truth, between the scale and me, now having you around has got the best of me. I'm on my way. 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 Like I said, it was hard today, and this heaviness I'm feeling's got to go away. I'm going to New York and then to Spain. Soon everyone will know my name. So if you call, I won't be around. I'm off making friends with everyone in town. To tell you the truth, it's just not me. Now having you around has got the best of me.